Hey angels, hey my girls, welcome back for another video. Today's video we're going to be unboxing a Kurt Geiger item. I'm so excited, love Kurt Geiger, and today I wanted to go ahead and share my latest acquisition with you girls. So if you like videos like these, stick with me, hit like, subscribe down below. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I have the beauty right here, and it's a lovely wallet on a chain, and this is in the lovely color turquoise. So I'm a turquoise lover, you guys, so I had to go ahead and pick up this lovely beauty in the turquoise color when I saw it at Macy's. Macy's or Nordstrom? Nordstrom. Purchased this beauty at Nordstrom. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up this lovely color. I always love Kurt Geiger, but I've really been into crossbody bags lately, and the WOCs and the wallets on the chain are so beautiful. I also love patent leather, you guys. I have a patent leather Chanel, as well as some of the patent leather items go so great with my Doc Marten boots, the lovely Molly's in patent leather. So let's go ahead, without any further ado, let's go ahead and unwrap this beauty. I took it out the box just to save some time, you girls. So, you know, I had already opened up the box, but as you can see, I didn't open the package yet. This is my first time going into the package with you girls. And this is, like I said, in the lovely color turquoise. So here she is. Go ahead and take all the packaging off of her. I'm excited. I'm nervous at the same time. I'm nervous because sometimes when you order an item online, when they deliver it to you, sometimes everything works out and goes well. And then sometimes when they deliver it to you, you know, sometimes something could be a little squished, or there could be some discoloration, or something can go wrong. But for the most part, Macy's and Nordstrom Rack they always have it together with their items, you guys. And I usually get a good item for ordering online. So here we go. Oh, wow. This is going to look so pretty. This is gonna look so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I love this color. You know, I used to not like green. Believe it or not, there was a time when I didn't like green, you guys. I didn't. Okay, so this is what she looks like. So pretty in patent leather. Ah! Okay, let me go ahead and open her up. This is what she looks like. Go ahead and take that off. Oh, that interior color is so pretty. But there was a time when green wasn't my favorite color. Now I love green. I love green vintage Coach handbags in the beautiful green color, as well as just, I don't know, I like Michael Kors handbags with green. Now I have a lovely turquoise Kurt Geiger handbag. So this is what the wallet on the chain looks like. And this is one of the Drench Kurt Geigers, meaning that the strap is not, the hardware is not gold or silver. The hardware is actually the same color as the bag. So this is one of the Drench, Kurt Geiger Drench wallet on the chains. Let's go ahead and, let me go ahead and try to handle this beauty. So she's a little tangled. I guess I have to take this off, take this Kurt Geiger off right here, the tag. Let me go ahead and take that off, and then I can go ahead and fix the chain better. Yeah, this is so nice. I'm loving this. Okay, so let me go ahead and fix the chain. Okay, now you can see I can wear her crossbody, or I can wear her just as a wallet on a chain. So beautiful. Once again, this is gonna look so beautiful with like patent leather, you know, my Doc Martens or boots. It'll look good with anything. But it's so nice because you could wear it the long way, like this crossbody, or I can go ahead and double that strap. Let me double it. Okay, I could double it this way and carry it like a shoulder bag, or I can go ahead and just use it as a wallet, you know, wallet on a chain or as a wallet. So today I wanted to share this lovely Kurt Geiger Drench bag with you girls. I guess I can show you it with my other Kurt Geiger wallet on a chain that I recently purchased. So here is the Soho wallet on a chain, just so you could see it compared together. Very beautiful. They're both so very pretty. So very pretty in color. And let's go ahead and see. I'm going to come back on camera and do a real comparison for you girls of these two lovely bags. But they're so beautiful. They look so pretty. So today I wanted to talk about the lovely Drench one. So yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, stick with me for more videos. And I had fun talking to you girls as always. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, peace, deuces.